welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have some affordable fragrance options that I would recommend that I have been enjoying for this summer season, and I wanted to quickly come to my family. These are not new to my collection. Well, one of them that I've talked about, but most of them are not new to my collection. But I just wanted to quickly come on and let you all know, you all don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to smell good. We do have some affordable options, and this is only a little bit. This is only 5 because I try to keep them at 5, but there are tons of recommendations that I have on my channel that you can definitely take a look at that are affordable options. I try to cover affordable options, luxury options, and all the things in between, and all the things maybe even below, right? I try to cover all bases with fragrances because we only just want to smell good. You don't have to give your arm and leg to do so. There are affordable options out there for each and every one of us, okay? So let's get into some of those. So first off, I have from Barakat. Now, this was available on Triple Traders when I bought this, but this is Barakat. This is a dupe for MFK Baccarat Rouge. That is a popular scent in the fragrance community, but I have the extrait version of MFK. I do not have the original. And so I didn't know if I did want the original MFK and spending that much money on the original, because I really wanted the extrait. That's really where I wanted to put my money into. But I found a great dupe, okay? I've smelled the fragrance plenty of times, and so this is a really great dupe from Barakat, okay? And this is only, I saw it on Fragrance Shop, so I didn't see it on Triple Traders anymore, but I was able to locate it on fragranceworld.com, and it is at a whopping $15.95. You heard me, $15.95 US dollars. So if you are interested, and this is from the brand Fragrance World, if you are interested in dupes or getting a dupe of MFK and having an affordable option and still smelling like the fragrance, look no further. This is a really, really good dupe. Highly would recommend if you are into it, and this has been a winner over the spring summer season for me. I really love throwing this on. I don't mind like overspraying this. I don't mind like using this a lot. I'm using this with other fragrances, but this is a really good dupe. Highly recommend. All right, moving on. Next up, I have an affordable option that might not be available. I did not see it on Sephora anymore. So sad, and I really hope they restock maybe one last time, please. So from Soldejaneiro, Carioca Crush. Oh my goodness. I stopped using this because look at that. I am almost done, and so I was not able to get a backup because by the time I was gonna get the backup, it was sold out. So sad for me. I hope that maybe I'll be able to see it wherever I see it. I'm gonna pick it up, but right now I see it on Macari, and they trying to get you. They trying to get their money and get you. So I'm not going to do Macari. I think that somebody said like $40. I'm not about to pay $40 for this when I paid $24. Okay. So not going. But I feel like this was a really good option. These are all. So if you see any Soldejaneiro type of body sprays, I believe this is a really good affordable summer option to get. My niece is definitely now into Soldejaneiro, so it's to the young people field too. So if you are into the brand, those are really good options. They have all different types of scents. So they have from coconut to there's this like 540 that kind of represents like Baccarat or smells a little bit like Baccarat 540. Or if you want to say it smells like Cloud from Ariana Grande. Anyway, they have so many different scents that I'm sure you'll be able to fall in love with at least one of them. But these are really good, affordable body spray options. I love these sprays. They do, to me, last a little bit longer. I wouldn't say longer than Bath & Body Works, because Bath & Body Works, there are some that really do last long. But I will say this just in general for a body spray really lasts to me, and it pairs well with some of your other fragrances that you might use. So highly would recommend, especially over this hot summer heat month, you definitely might want to partake in a body spray, okay? Moving on. Next up, a fragrance that I really do enjoy. I really love this. I've talked about this plenty of times on this channel, and that is none other than Amazing Grace Jasmine. This is such a beautiful fragrance, very white floral, fresh fragrance. And I feel like this pairs with any type of scent, but it also sits beautiful on its own. It's a very good, easy reach. Very affordable. I believe I got this for even in the $40 range. So you might even be able to catch this for less. This is a really good, affordable option, especially for this hot, hot heat. If you want to smell like a dream in this hot, hot heat, trickle on down to Amazing Grace Jasmine. This is a great white floral. If you're just getting into white florals, this is a really good entryway into it. So from my smaller generation to even, around my age, like this is a really good option for you. I would highly recommend this fragrance as a really good option, okay, for this hot, hot heat, okay, moving on. Another great affordable option, and that is Cotton Candy from Dua. This was about $55. I would highly recommend this if you love a good candy like vanilla scent. You would absolutely adore this. This is so good. This is very fun if you have like a easy breezy day, or maybe you're going to a carnival, or maybe you're going somewhere where it's totally going to be a good vibe. You would adore this scent. This is so good. I would highly recommend. This is fantastic for that season, for this season. When we get to the fall and winter, I really don't pull this out, but spring and summer, this has been quite the winner. Again, affordable option, $55. I think that is, when we're talking about the fragrance world, I think that is an affordable option in my opinion, right? And you could think like, no, sis, give me something less than that. But I understand, right? But they do have the travel size from Dua that's in the $20 range. So if you can find this in a travel size, great. Dua has all types of scents that range from that $55 to the $20, and sometimes they even have full bottles, larger bottles that are like in $120, and so they have all different price options. But this is a really good brand and also a really good scent of cotton candy. I love, okay, love this scent down. Okay, quite a great option. All right, moving on. And last but certainly not least, for my affordable option recommendations, we have from MAC. All right, we have Candy Yum Yum. This is another great fun scent. You can use this for casual time, casual date, out with the girlfriends, good old brunch. This is a really great scent. I would highly recommend MAC Turquoise, or even I think it's like the caramel or the vanilla one. I have it upstairs, or creme. MAC, the creme, the la creme, or something like that. I can't think of the name right now, but it's in a tan bottle. So either way, the MAC line are really good, easy reach, approachable, affordable options. So you can get this for $57 at Macy's. Even Belk carries this, and you probably can find this even a little bit at a lower price range. But this is also a good, long-lasting fragrance that is affordable. This is amazing, okay? Candy Yum Yum, to me, it's almost like the same as the Dua Cotton Candy. It gives that fun vibe, but it's not immature, right? It's not where, people our age can't wear this. I think This is really good. This is so good. This is so good. This gives me feminine vibes. It's so good. It gets you in this trance, like, oh, come back from it. It's amazing. Okay, so it gives depth. It's great for dates, great for brunch. Very feminine if you're looking for something feminine but lasting. You don't want to be overpowering, but you want to, stand out. Now, this is not going to project to the masses, but it still makes a great statement, and I would highly recommend another affordable option. Really, really, really good. Add to your collection, sis. All right, moving on. Well, that's all. That's all, family, for my affordable fragrances for the summertime, okay? What are some fragrances that you're rocking and rolling with that you've been wearing that are affordable options? We would love to know. Comment down below. Again, I just touched on the surface. There are plenty of affordable options, plenty of fragrances that are not even these that are still amazing, okay? So I just, again, wanted to touch the surface. If you want some more recommendations on some affordable options, please let me know in the comments. I will certainly bring that to my channel. I would love to give you some more recommendations because, again, you don't have to be getting all these expensive fragrances just to smell good. There are great options, sis, that you can partake in and still make an impact, all right? Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. We'd love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.